The new age of wine tasting. Could a machine truly understand the soul of a Sauvignon Blanc? This question is no longer just for late-night chats among wine lovers. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is stepping into the hallowed halls of viticulture. It promises to change how we make, assess, and even enjoy wine. Some might find this idea unsettling, perhaps even a bit sterile. The romance of wine, after all, is tied to human hands, ancient soils, and the unpredictable magic of nature. Yet the world of wine has always embraced innovation, albeit sometimes cautiously. From temperature-controlled fermentation tanks to advanced trellising systems, technology has played its part. Now AI presents itself as the next frontier. Imagine a sommelier that never has an off day, never gets tired, and has tasted, in a digital sense, millions of wines. This is the potential that AI brings to the table, or rather, to the tasting room. AI sommeliers are already here. They are sophisticated systems using advanced sensors and complex algorithms. Their purpose is not to replace human experts entirely, but to augment our abilities. Let us pour a glass and delve into this new chapter. So, what exactly is an AI sommelier? It is not a single defined entity. Instead, it is a concept that encompasses various technologies. These technologies aim to replicate or assist the tasks of a human wine expert. At its core, an AI sommelier uses a combination of hardware and software. The hardware often involves sensors that can analyze the chemical composition of wine. The software then uses machine learning algorithms. These algorithms interpret the data gathered by the sensors. They compare it against enormous databases of wine information. The process begins with data collection. One of the key technologies used is spectroscopy. Spectroscopy involves shining light through a wine sample. Different molecules in the wine will absorb and reflect light in unique ways. This creates a sort of fingerprint for that particular wine. This fingerprint reveals a wealth of information. It can tell us about the wine's sugar content, acidity levels, alcohol percentage, and the presence of various phenolic compounds. Once this spectral data is captured, machine learning comes into play. Machine learning allows computer systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed for each task. In the case of an AI sommelier, the algorithms are trained on vast datasets of wine profiles. The more data the AI processes, the better it becomes at recognizing patterns. The result is a system that can perform remarkable feats, such as identifying a wine's grape varietal with surprising accuracy. The digital sommelier is a complex assistant ready to serve. Spectroscopy is truly at the heart of many AI sommelier systems. It is the primary sense through which the AI perceives the wine. Think of it as giving the AI a superpower. It can see the invisible components that make each wine unique. There are different types of spectroscopy used. These include near-infrared (NIR) spectroscopy, Fourier transform infrared (FTIR) spectroscopy, and UV-Vis spectroscopy. Each type uses a different part of the light spectrum. Each reveals slightly different information about the wine's chemical makeup. The beauty of spectroscopy lies in its speed and non-invasiveness. A traditional chemical analysis of wine can be time-consuming. Spectroscopy, on the other hand, can provide results almost instantly. A small sample of wine is placed in the device. Light is passed through it, and the sensors capture the resulting spectrum. This process can be done directly in the winery, or even in the vineyard with portable devices. The data generated by a spectrometer is incredibly rich. To a human eye, these graphs might look like a jumble of lines, but to a machine learning algorithm, they are full of meaning. This ability to see the chemical fingerprint is what allows AI to perform tasks like vintage prediction. Spectroscopy provides the script for the AI to read. Once spectroscopy has provided the raw data, machine learning takes center stage. This is where the intelligence in artificial intelligence truly shines. Machine learning algorithms are the engines that drive an AI sommelier's ability to predict and classify. These algorithms are not programmed with specific rules for every possible wine. Instead, they learn by example. They are trained on vast datasets containing the spectral fingerprints of thousands of wines. Each fingerprint is linked to known information such as the wine's vintage, origin, grape variety, and quality ratings. The accuracy of these AI systems in predicting wine vintages can be astonishingly high. Some studies and commercial systems claim accuracy rates of up to 95% or even higher. The AI achieves this by recognizing incredibly subtle patterns in the spectroscopic data. These patterns reflect the unique climatic conditions of each growing season. The AI learns these complex, multidimensional correlations. It builds a model that can then be used to predict the vintage of new, unseen wine samples. Machine learning transforms raw data into actionable knowledge for the wine world. Napa's Silicon Embrace AI joins the harvest. Napa Valley is renowned globally for its premium wines, particularly its Cabernet Sauvignon. It is a region steeped in tradition, yet it is also a place of innovation and forward-thinking. Wineries in Napa are increasingly exploring how AI can help them maintain and enhance their reputation for quality. The integration of AI is not about replacing the skilled artisan winemakers. Instead, it is about providing them with more powerful tools. These tools help them make even better decisions from the vineyard to the bottle. One key area where AI is making inroads is in vineyard management. AI systems can analyze data from various sources including weather stations, soil sensors, and drones. This data can help predict disease outbreaks before they become visible to the human eye. It can also optimize irrigation strategies, ensuring vines get exactly the right amount of water. By identifying variations across the vineyard, AI can help with precision viticulture. This means treating different blocks, or even individual vines according to their specific needs. In the winery itself, AI is being used for quality control at various stages. The adoption of AI in Napa is still in its relatively early stages for many wineries. Quality Uncorked AI's watchful eye in Napa cellars. The application of AI for quality control in Napa Valley wineries extends deep into the cellar operations. It's not just about the grapes or the initial fermentation. It's about ensuring excellence at every step of the winemaking journey. For example, AI systems coupled with spectroscopic tools can be used to monitor the evolution of wine during barrel aging. Different barrels, even from the same cooper and the same forest, can impart slightly different characteristics to the wine. AI can help track these subtle nuances. It can identify which barrels are contributing positively and which might need closer attention or earlier blending. Another critical aspect of quality control is detecting potential faults. AI can be trained to identify the chemical markers associated with common wine flaws. Early detection of these issues is vital. It allows winemakers to take corrective action before the problem affects a large volume of wine. Blending is another area where AI can offer valuable assistance. AI can analyze the chemical and sensory profiles of different lots of wine. The winemaker still makes the final decision, of course. The algorithm's advantage: enhancing our wine wisdom. The integration of AI into the world of wine offers several compelling advantages. These benefits can enhance how both producers and consumers approach this beloved beverage. One of the most significant pros is the potential for increased consistency and quality in winemaking. AI systems can monitor and analyze variables with a precision and tirelessness that humans simply cannot match. This allows for earlier detection of potential problems. It enables more precise interventions, leading to fewer flawed wines and a more reliable product for the consumer. Furthermore, AI can democratize wine knowledge to some extent. Sophisticated AI-powered apps and tools can provide consumers with detailed information about a wine. This information can go far beyond what is on the label. Imagine pointing your phone at a bottle and instantly getting its chemical profile, predicted taste characteristics, food pairing suggestions, and even comparisons to other wines you have enjoyed. This can empower consumers to make more informed choices. For wine professionals, AI can serve as an invaluable assistant. Sommeliers, retailers, and critics can use AI tools to augment their own expertise. AI can provide objective feedback on tasting notes or help identify specific aroma compounds. AI can contribute to sustainability in viticulture. Soul versus silicon. Does AI diminish wine's mystique? The rise of AI in wine sparks passionate debate. Enthusiasts worry technology might strip away the romance and artistry. Can a machine's analysis replace human intuition and experience? Wine is about history, culture, and terroir. Can AI truly understand these intangible qualities? The challenge is integrating AI thoughtfully, ensuring it serves the human element. A future fermenting AI and wine, a perfect pairing? AI's role in the wine industry is expanding, enhancing vineyard management and consumer interaction. The technology is evolving, offering personalized wine recommendations and improving quality. AI and human expertise can create a richer, more fascinating world for wine lovers. If you enjoyed this, like the video and hit subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.